Hello, my name is Yukiko Masui. I'm currently making a dance piece on National Youth Dance Wales. I am a choreographer and a movement director, originally from Tokyo, Japan, but currently I'm based in London. It's been really amazing past couple of days. I've been absolutely mind blown by the level and the commitment that the dancer brought to the creation. The inspiration for the piece that we're working on is about there's always somebody fighting your corner without being on the spotlight, doing good things for other people, but in the shadow, in the darkness, like this powerful figure that is not coming into the spotlight, but I wanted to explore this powerful way of moving and being. The piece is going to look very physical, but also this energy of fierceness and hero-like attitude. It's an amazing opportunity for the young talent in Wales to be working in this professional level of environment. When I was aged between 16 and 22, I was practicing dancing street with my friends. Compared to this fully formed company, everybody's there to make this piece and creation happen. So come see the show. They're gonna look amazing.